The opening ceremony of the state-level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024 was held today at the SAI complex at Nehu, with 809 athletes representing the 12 districts set to take part in the three-day event. Meghalaya State Olympic Association Working President John F. Kharshieng was the chief guest. The meet will run until May 24th. Speaking at the inaugural function, Kharshieng encouraged the athletes to embody the spirit of sportsmanship and hoped that they will be able to build friendships through the competition, maintain discipline, patience and build up their endurance. Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs P.B. War Nongbri and other officials of the department were also present. And a quick look at the weather report.